processor boost mode missing in Windows 11? Learn how to restore it with quick steps to fix power settings and optimize performance. Search for Regedit in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes. Copy the registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar at the top of the Registry Editor. Then press Enter. Find attributes in the list and double-click on it. Change the value data to 2. Click OK to save the changes. Step 2. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, locate Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on Windows Explorer and choose Restart. Step 3. Enable Processor Power Management Search for Control Panel and open it. Click on Hardware and Sound. Under Power Options, click on Change Plan Settings. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. You'll now see Processor Power Management available in the options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.